The Topton L10 dual-screen laptop is a versatile and powerful device designed for productivity and multitasking. Featuring a 15.6-inch IPS main display and a secondary 7-inch touchscreen, it allows for seamless multi-window operations. Powered by the 12th Gen Intel N100 processor, it delivers robust performance suitable for various office tasks. With a maximum configuration of 32GB DDR4 RAM and a 2TB SSD, it offers ample storage and memory for demanding applications. The slim design ensures portability, making it ideal for professionals on the go. Its dual-screen setup enhances efficiency by enabling simultaneous use of multiple apps. This office notebook PC also includes essential connectivity options and long battery life, providing a comprehensive solution for modern computing needs. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.